What's up, guys? Just thought I'd do a little update video and show you what I'm getting into. It's not going to be a wood turning video. Just thought I would just show everybody what I've been doing. Going to be part of the new videos that I'll be doing here in a couple months. Like I say, it's going to be probably going to be closer to March before I start getting my new tool set up. Like I said in the last video, it'll be a new channel. I don't think I'll let it intervene with this channel, but so it'll be a whole separate channel on doing this thing. And go ahead and tell you, it is woodworking. It's going to be sawmill. Going to be doing some milling. I got one ordered. Hopefully it'll be here by the end of February. They're so far back on their orders. It'll be closer to the 1st of March, middle of March. I'm hoping sooner the better for me. I want to get started. I'm real excited to do this. I've ran a mill. I've ran mills before. Never had my own, so this is the first one I'll have. But I thought I would give you some, show you some pictures of some logs that I've been getting. So we'll walk over here. Them crows are happy. If you don't have any crows, let me know and I'll send them your way. I hate them. They're no good for anything except to make noise. But anyway, let me flip the camera around here and I'll show you what I've got. And you'll see what I'm going for. Okay, we'll get turned around. We'll get walked over here. I've got some of these logs laying here. They're all 8 foot and above. Well, there's a couple that's 7 foot, but for the most part, they're all 8 foot. These are yellow pine. They're not. These are not real big here. These are probably about 12 inches. I've got them anywhere from 10 inches all the way up to 22 inches. I've got more I got to get. Those are some pine. There's some poplars in this pile, some ash, and a pile of trash over there too. I got to get it out of the way because I'm gonna set my mill up over here. But yeah, but this is what I've been doing. I've been going out getting these logs. There's a development going in about a mile from where I'm at, and I can have all I want. So got plenty of different logs right now. They're mostly into poplar right now. There's some bigger ones. These laying here I got yesterday. These are just yellow poplar. They're 14 inches. This one here, that one's probably, that's about an 18 inch log. And all these are cut like 9 feet. Because time you mill it into lumber, you'll have to cut the ends because they may crack as they dry. Of course, these are green. They've only been cut for about a week, 2 weeks. Some of them pines over there's been cut a little longer, but all these have only been cut for about 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm gonna have plenty of logs. I got a lot more I got to get. I got about 35 more that I got to get. That's 22 to 30 inches in diameter. They're already cut. I just gotta go get them. I hauled most of these on that little trailer right there. It's just a little 6 by 10 foot utility trailer, but I tell you, it'll haul 6 of these logs no problem. Just to be a little single axle trailer. It's only rated 3,500 pounds, but I know 6 of them logs weigh more than 3,500 pounds. But I do have a bigger trailer up there in front of my shop that I'm going to build a log arch on. And I'll do a video on that. I know you guys have seen the log arch loaders on the back of the trailer. I'll tell you what, they are awesome. I've loaded most of these. I just throw that gate down and we'll just take a block and tackle to the front and I just pull them up with another truck. But show you these 2 big logs that I actually got just this morning. Right there, those are monsters. They're about 20. That one on the left is about 24 inches. That one on the right's up to about 26 inches. And they're 9 feet. Of course, they're up on the bank. I pulled them off. You can see with my hand there how big these things are. Those are some monster logs. Make a lot of lumber out of those. Poplar makes beautiful lumber too, and I'm just going to use 90% of the poplar lumber that I cut. I'm using it for myself. I got tangled up in a rose bush, so I'm not too much worried about what species of wood it is. Most of it's going to be used to build a shed over the mill. So I got plenty of that. But yeah, just thought I'd give you an update on what I've been doing, what my plans are in the future. As I get closer to, once I get the mill set up and everything and get the channel going, I'll let everybody know. Hopefully you'll come along for the journey, and it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a fun time. A lot of work, but it's gonna be fun. So yeah, we'll of course, like I say, I got a lot more logs. I'm gonna have a huge pile. Probably end up putting my mill somewhere over in there where them 2 trailers are. I'll move those, put it in there, and I'll have my log pile over here. That way I can stack my lumber back over this way, and I've got plenty of places to put it. So I got plenty of room. On camera it don't seem like a whole lot, but there's a lot of room. I mean, just between where that trailer is and edge of this bank over here is probably about 200 feet. But I watched a video. Actually watched it yesterday on how he loads his logs on a trailer with the hand crank winch. Now I'll tell you what, that thing, I've got one right there. I put it on a stump. That's what I pulled these logs off the trailer with. Just one of them hand crank winches. It's rated, that winch there is 7,000 pounds. Of course, pulling them logs off the trailer was pretty easy. It's just a straight pull. Wasn't much there. But they'll do what they got to do. And of course, I've got electric winches too. But that's what I'm gonna put on my other trailer when I put the arch on it. We'll do a video of that and how to build one. Whatever. But yeah, the Oregon Old Timer. Go check him out. I watched his video on how I think, and he had a helper there. We used a hand crank winch to load them up on the trailers. Worked awesome. I tried it on the other trailer I've got up there. Actually done it this morning on those 2 big logs there. It worked great. And them logs are probably close to 1,600 pounds. I would say. I don't know. I didn't. Just guessing. I used the app on the phone or whatever, try to get the estimate of the weight of the log, but it told me it's 1,600 pounds. These here they're probably close to the 500, 600 pound range. But some of these here I loaded by hand just to pick them up. These small ones here, that's only, about 12 inches. And I cut them all like 8.5 to 9 feet. Just kind of picked them up on there and used a cant hook, slid them up on there by hand. But hydraulics is awesome. Pulleys are awesome. You got to have levers, pulleys, and you can do anything. So, but go check him out, Oregon Old Timer, and he'll show you how you put a winch on the front of his little trailer, just to load some logs, and it worked great. He also does sawmilling videos too. Great content. But yeah, when I get this going, hope you guys follow me, like, subscribe, comment. I like reading all the comments, especially when I start milling, because it's going to be a kind of a new process for me. Because like I say, I've ran mills, but I never had my own, so it's going to be a learning experience. So, but yeah, that's what I've been up to, gathering up logs for the mill I got coming. Hopefully I'll get back in the shop here and do a wood turning video. I've just been busy doing all this other stuff and trying to do too many things at once. It's not so many hours in a day, and then work full-time job and do this on my days off. So, but anyway, appreciate you guys. Hope y'all had a great year, 2023. Happy New Year to everybody. Holidays. Hope 2024 brings everybody a lot more health and wealth, and a lot more fun playing in the woods. So keep turning, keep milling, keep gathering wood, and we'll catch you on the next video.